1. Passage excerpt. She had never seen the sun rise so early over the hills, casting shadows that dance like fleeting memories. Which choice best maintains the tone and style of the sentence? A. She never noticed how soon the sun came up. B. She was up early and saw the sun rise over the hills. C. She hadn't seen the sun rise that early before. D. She had never seen the sun rise so early over the hills, casting shadows that moved like memories drifting by. 2. Which of the following best states the main purpose of a conclusion in an argumentative passage? A. To provide an unrelated anecdote. B. To introduce a counterclaim. C. To summarize key points and restate the claim. D. To start a new argument. 3. Sentence. If the artist had not moved to Paris, she might never have developed her distinctive style. Which change, if any, is needed? A. Change had not moved to didn't move. B. Change might never have developed to might not developed. C. No change. D. Change have developed to developed. 4. Which revision most improves sentence clarity? Many experts argue that although the climate is changing, the consequences are uncertain, leading some to call for inaction. A. Although many experts argue about the changing climate, some call for inaction. B. Many experts argue that while climate change is occurring, its consequences remain uncertain, prompting some to call for inaction. C. Climate change causes uncertainty, making inaction an option for some. D. Experts argue over inaction while the climate changes. 5. Which word or phrase best maintains the formal tone of an academic essay? Researchers found the results to be kind of surprising. A. Sort of surprising. B. Unexpectedly surprising. C. Rather surprising. D. Surprising. 6. Which transition best fits the sentence? The new policy may benefit some, it is likely to harm others. A. In addition. B. Nevertheless. C. Although. D. Furthermore. 7. Which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? A. The committee met on Monday, and the decisions were announced Wednesday. B. The report was long, it needed editing. C. He tried his best, but he failed. D. The sun was bright, yet cold. 8. Which word best completes the sentence? Unlike his predecessor, who focused on short-term goals, the new CEO emphasized growth and stability. A. Ephemeral. B. Whimsical. C. Pragmatic. D. Long-term. 9. Identify the error. Each of the players have a unique role on the team. A. Each. B. Of the players. C. Have. D. No error. 10. Which choice most logically completes the paragraph? This finding suggests that early childhood nutrition significantly influences cognitive development. Ensuring children receive adequate nutrients should be a public health priority. A. For example. B. Nevertheless. C. As a result. D. In contrast. 11. Sentence structure. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. The students, along with their teacher, are going to the museum. B. The students, along with their teacher, is going to the museum. C. The student, along with their teacher, are going to the museum. D. The student, along with their teacher, be going to the museum. 12. Vocabulary in context. The mayor's speech was a stark departure from her predecessors, who was known for his candor and outspokenness. What does candor most nearly mean? A. Politeness. B. Honesty. C. Hostility. D. Sophistication. 13. Rhetorical synthesis. A student is writing an essay on renewable energy. Which sentence best supports her claim that solar energy is economically viable? A. Solar panels are often installed on rooftops in sunny states. B. The sun is a consistent source of energy throughout the year. C. A 2023 study found that households with solar panels saved an average of $1,200 annually. D. Wind turbines are another source of clean energy. 14. Conventions of usage. Choose the best version of the sentence. Neither the manager nor the employees was aware of the policy update. A. Was aware. B. Were aware. C. Are aware. D. Has been aware. 15. Main purpose. What is the main purpose of an introductory paragraph in a nonfiction essay? A. To state an unrelated anecdote. B. To provide the conclusion. C. To present background and the main argument. D. To list all supporting examples. 16. Concision and style. Which revision is most concise and maintains clarity? Due to the fact that she was late, she missed the meeting. A. Because she was late, she missed the meeting. B. On account of being late, she missed the meeting. C. Owing to lateness, she missed the meeting. D. Being late was the reason she missed the meeting. 17. Logical transitions. The experiment produced inconclusive results. Further research is necessary. A. Nevertheless. B. Consequently. C. In contrast. D. For instance. 18. Informational graph question. A chart shows that 70% of survey respondents prefer hybrid work models. Which statement best aligns with the data? A. Most respondents do not want to return to the office full-time. B. Few respondents expressed interest in working remotely. C. Only 30% of respondents want to work at all. D. Hybrid models are rarely preferred. 19. Supporting evidence. Researchers concluded that sleep improves memory consolidation. Which sentence most effectively supports this claim? A. Sleep is a biological need. B. Students who napped after studying scored 20% higher on recall tests. C. Sleep habits vary widely. D. People often feel refreshed after rest. 20. Parallel structure. She enjoys hiking, swimming, and to bike. A. Hiking, swimming, and biking. B. Hiking, swimming, and to bike. C. Hike, swim, and biking. D. To hike, swimming, and biking. 21. Sentence function. Which choice best states the main purpose of the sentence? Despite initial resistance, the City Council eventually approved the Climate Action Plan. A. To express doubt about a decision. B. To describe an ongoing controversy. C. To show a change in position. D. To introduce a counterclaim. 22. Transition word. The product launched last month received poor reviews. Its sales exceeded expectations. A. Therefore. B. However. C. For example. D. Because. 23. Concision and clarity. Which version is most concise and grammatically correct? In the event that you are not available, please let us know. A. If you are not available, please let us know. B. Should it be that you are not available, please let us know. C. When you are unavailable, please let us know. D. In case you are not available, kindly inform us. 24. Modifier placement. Running down the hill, the backpack fell off Jordan's shoulder. What is the error in this sentence? A. Subject-verb disagreement. B. Misplaced modifier. C. Incorrect transition. D. Faulty parallelism. 25. Punctuation. Which sentence uses the semicolon correctly? A. I love mangoes, and I eat them daily. B. The book was long, but very interesting. C. She studied hard, she earned top marks. D. The museum was closed, because of renovations. Bluebook SAT. The Bluebook SAT is the College Board's official platform for administering the digital SAT. Designed to modernize the testing experience, it delivers a shorter, more adaptive exam that maintains the core purpose of measuring college readiness. The test is divided into two sections, reading and writing and math, each lasting around 64 minutes. Unlike the traditional paper version, the Bluebook SAT features multi-stage adaptive testing, where the difficulty of later questions is based on earlier responses. The interface includes tools like an on-screen calculator, annotation options, and a countdown timer. Students take the exam on a laptop or tablet, either provided by the school or their own device. This new format aims to provide a more personalized and accessible experience while preserving the SAT's academic rigor. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. College admissions. The SAT remains a key component in applications for many universities worldwide. A strong score can enhance a student's profile and improve chances of admission, especially in competitive institutions. 2. Scholarship eligibility. Many merit-based scholarships use SAT scores as criteria. High performance can lead to substantial financial aid, making college more affordable. 3. Academic benchmarking. The SAT provides students with a clear measure of college readiness, helping them assess strengths and identify areas needing improvement before graduation. 4. Global recognition. The SAT is accepted by thousands of colleges globally, offering international students a standardized pathway to apply abroad. 5. Test day flexibility. With the Bluebook digital format, students benefit from a faster, more streamlined test experience, on-screen tools, and built-in security, making exam day less stressful.